How is everyone doing today? It's mystery plate package 309. I'm only the crazy license plate guy. I'm like going crazy. It's been a wild day. So we're filming a whole bunch of mystery plates. So bear with me. It might get a little wild. It might get a little crazy. I feel like that's why you're all here. 309. What do you think it's going to be? Make sure you don't just watch this on social media. Watch it on YouTube. That's the place to be. Because at the end, we're going to special features. And we'll find some other cool plates or some info or something else. So go over there. Mystery plate package 309. It's upside down again. Another sample plate. South Dakota. OAA 000 1987. This is 1889 to 1989. 89 there, 87 there. I'm not really sure, but South Dakota, let's put you on the wall. Yeah, why not? Right here underneath West Virginia. Start right out front line and center. Next to that cool Iraqi military plate, which you should have seen in the previous mystery plate package, if you're paying attention. So, that's what we got today, South Dakota. Make sure you go to special features. We'll see if we can find some other South Dakota samples. Maybe a cool picture of Mount Rushmore. It's pretty much all there is in South Dakota, right? And hit that subscribe button. We're going to special features. Woo! Here we are again. Special features. Mystery plate package 309. Sample plate. South Dakota. Mount Rushmore. It's kind of cool, right? I don't know. A bunch of zeros, a couple A's. We rolled back the clock. We went all the way back. They had sample plates as far back as 1924. Black was silver. Check that bad boy out. Then we jump ahead, 1936. Canada colors. White and red. White and red. And then this next one, 1947, yellow and black. And there's a little bit of everything going on this plate. I'm not really sure what's happening, but it's wild looking. Look at that thing. Craziness. 1947. Sample. Sample everything. We're going to jump up to 1955. One of my faves. White on green. Mount Rushmore, like sticker decal thing up there. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I like it. I like it a lot. Do you like it? Do you like these videos? Drop a comment. Let me know what your favorite sample is. Next one, we got sample on the flag base. And then we got the Rushmore base. It says county on there. Their sample said county that one year for some reason. I don't know. And a couple flat ones. 0, 0, A, 0, 0, 0. Almost the same as the one above my head, but not quite. And another flat that just says sample. So I found a bunch of South Dakota samples for special features. 309. Can you believe we're 309? I've made so many of these. I'm losing my mind. I'm going crazy. It's time to go to the editing table and mash these together so we can get them out to you wonderful people. I'm only the crazy license plate guy. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Find a sample, go on an adventure, check out an antique store, get into some trouble. Go check out the South Dakota hills, Mount Rushmore, the presidents. Do whatever you want, it's your life. But hit that subscribe button. Till next time, I'm out of here. Woo! Another big shout out to alpka.org. You guys got the best archives in the world. And if you want access to it, become a member. alpka.org. Check it out today. They got collectors. They got magazines. They got archives. They got all kinds of cool stuff. So what are you waiting for? Get on your computer or on your phone and type in alpka.org and check it out. It's mystery plate package 309. Thanks for watching. South Dakota 24 is pretty sweet looking.